Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive insurance, how to claim property insurance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to file or claim property insurance in Progressive, what you need to do first is gather important information. Before starting the claim, have the details like policy number, date and time of the incident, what happened, any photos or videos of the damage, police or incident reports, and a list of damaged items and your contact info. Then, to file a claim, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in progressive.com, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply tap on contact us button. Then here you'll be given a number. You can simply call on that number, and then once you call on that number, an agent will be available to you. All you gotta do is give your details, or be sure to give your details to the agent, and they will help you to file a claim. Then the next method is by simply tapping on the see more contact options, and as you tap on it, you'll be provided with a live chat with an agent. So start a chat, simply tap on start chat and provide the details like your policy number, date and time, and any photos or videos details that is required for the claim of the insurance. Then the next method is also to tap on the send email option, and then you'll find an option that says select a topic. Simply tap on that and find an option that says your claim. Simply tap on that once again, and once you scroll down, all you gotta do is fill up all these details like name, email, policy, street address, apartment, city, and so on. And once done, simply tap on this small checkbox and then tap on submit. And then once that's done, adjuster will call, text, or email you and set up an inspection, review damage estimate, explain coverage and deductibles, and provide settlement amount. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.